I don't know, Tom represent for King Mix Up, you know, so check out the dog, YouTube page, or the body thing, or the money thing. I'm saying, nah, guys, and the whole family. Goof buff now.
Okay, people, that's a quick update on this Spice and this pregnancy stuff. As you know, a lot of people is speculating because, rumors were speculating that she was in the DR for, surgery. It's a I said, and I got an update on what that surgeon advisor, yes, the Dominican lady, has to say after all of these pictures. Hit the airwaves. Yes, I said, as you can guess, she's kind of shocked. You see me, I said, because these people are supposed to have top intel what go on from what to go on with the doctors them in a DR, because there's no HIPAA law down there that gives people privacy and all of these stuff. You see me, I said, but nevertheless, a lot of people is saying this might be a publicity stunt, given that the person that took the pictures, worked for Love and Hip Hop, as you can see in front of you, because she's trying to do the math, as you can see. She said me trying to do the math on how far along Spice is or might be compared to how long ago she was in the ER suffering from complication. It makes no damn sense, but I'ma just let this one go. Cause the besties them they drag her, you see me I said, but she also said I'm leaving the internet cause girls, I'm currently in shock. Congrats to her if this is real. But if this is another stunt, it's one hell of a stunt. Now, the other surgery page that was reported on the matters addressed Spice's pregnancy, and they just said in November 2022, Spice was in the DR recovering from series due to her TT complication with Dr. Sanchez. And she has never addressed what happened in DR, and 4 months later, this is posted. Now, before I give my views on this situation again, Rakashanti has come out and given his take. I think he was compelled to say something to his followers because I think he was the one that, broke it, that she had a hernia. This is I think he might be a doctor or his wife or something, but I think he's the one that disclosed that she might have a hernia or sepsis or some of them things there. You see me? So nevertheless, this is what he had to say about seeing, the belly bump. He said, first, congratulations are in order for Spice and all the best wishes for a safe delivery. 2, this post have triggered a lot of questions related to what Spice reportedly experienced late last year. Central among these is, was she pregnant when she reported the incident occurred last year? I am categorically unqualified to answer that question. 3, honestly, many of the questions raised are women stuff that I simply don't know enough about. 4, the issue she reportedly had was reportedly a septic/stomach issue, which has made this pregnancy announcement confusing for many of you. However, keep in mind the modern science medicine has helped many pregnancies survive even the most challenging circumstances. 5, regarding the claims of many of you that it is another public stunt, similar to her past colorism post, I prefer to reserve my judgment for now. Again, I wish her all the best and pray for safety through all her, surgeons. Okay, people, based off what I'm seeing throughout the whole media, everybody is congratulating her at the same time. They are skeptical if this is a publicity stunt, given Spice's track record with tricking the massive, to push music. You see me, I say, as you can see, the story made TMZ. You see me, I said, so it's big news. You see it. Like I said, people, we're gonna just have to wait till you know the baby born. You see me, I said, how many more months can she go pregnant? You see me. Reggae Sunfest are forward, and if she don't, take the bookings, Amari gonna shut it down. You see me, I say, cause dancehall Empress Amari, they're on top of things. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. But I'm putting out a comment section where you think about that, about all the people that, came out with the story. You see me? But anyway, now I'm gonna link up on this topic right now. Let's proceed to the next. Oh, before I forget, because I always say, for us to know what go on from what to go on, we have to wait till her next show. You see me, I say, which is April 8th. You know what I mean? But the streets are saying that Spice is planning on dropping, the news April 1st. It's a Fool's Day joke. You see me, I say, and then she's going to drop the new music and things and things. You know what I mean? But the streets is saying if she is indeed not pregnant, it's not going to be a good look because the people in America would never take her serious, you know what I mean? Given, whatever, and the issues with people who can't have youths and all of this stuff. But anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Now, sticking with the Spice theme, Dr. Love says she is right to trick on her. He said, I said, just like how Christian Rock is tricking Blueface with his baby. You feel me? Because anybody know anything about pregnancy know that Spice does not look pregnant. You see me I say? The face doesn't match a pregnant woman. You know what I mean? As well as the body doesn't match. You see me I say? Because I belly did flatten at December and October and all of this stuff. You see me I say? Yeah, so let's take a listen to what Dr. Love had to say and we proceed.
And the day everybody come out and they must say, boy, doctor, why you not say nothing? I mean, I tell them, say, Spice is good, Spice is alright. Spice is great. And one thing about Spice, you have to give Spice credit, because Spice know how to get to the money, and Spice know how to keep the media talking. Spice know how to stay relevant. And in order for Spice stay relevant because enough of the drunker people. And enough of the people who come out and say Spice go to Dominican Republic and go do surgery. And she almost dead under the knife. And why would she go do that to her body? And I say one bag of things about the girl. You chastise the girl left, right, and center. You put up all kind of rumors and all kind of this. And one thing I can tell you see people who Spice rate and who Spice have in the corner. Everybody know what happened to Spice and know what Spice up to. Everybody when a Spice corner what Spice rate. I remember Spice World, confidential. Remember, May I tell you this because me am not cool and things like that. And if me hear it out the road, I just say it come from this. And Spice make sure say she give everybody a code word. You understand? So if a code word go then whatever it is, Spice know what it is. And see it a picture go up on Spice. Right? With one big belly. Funniest thing about it, you don't know if it's an old belly or a new belly or it's an old picture. But I want to know what you think. So the people that we have put up on Spice page and I say, congratulations to you, mama, we love you. Remember when you turn around and say, oh, Spice, big black, so Spice is too vulgar. Remember when you say Spice, I don't know, wife material and Spice is nobody where you can rate. Remember when you say she's not the queen of dancehall. But remember, say Spice still have sex same way. And guess what happened? Spice given her where she want to give her. You understand? Now, me want to know if the picture on Spice, if the picture on Spice page, if it's a new pregnancy or an old pregnancy. Is it a new pregnancy or an old pregnancy? And I see him drunk of them. We sit down by yourself. And I talk about congratulations, Spice. I want to see him drunk with that chastised woman. I want to know how you feel. And that be tell you say in the music, the gatekeeper them in the music when I make nobody go through in the music these days. And people like who make Spice them have to do what they have to do. Because good music no box again. You can't have the best song. As long as the gate person is standing at the gate. It's always going to be a problem. And I will gate people in this music industry. Will gate man. Will them a control and tell me that what to play. You understand? And who for flap and who for flap and who for give opportunity for who get opportunity. And Spice have assure them. And Spice are going to perform. And when the little red one, the way everybody that crazy over, no notice you know about him again. Because she was running such a high competition with Spice. She do everything to be like Spice and never make it. I don't hear gun boss about him again. Is him still around? Looking at me eye. Or she's still around? Where is she? Where is Halle Berry? Where Rihanna there? Where Jamaica Rihanna there? Me not say Jamaica Rihanna. I walk on with Jamaica Rihanna. Can anybody tell me what going on Jamaica? Mr. Ask what happened to Jamaica Rihanna. What happened to the Rihanna? What happened to the big star with them dash thousands of dollars? You know? What happened to the star who can sleep with everybody in a dance hall? I wish you there. Anybody can tell me what you there? Mr. Ask for your friend. Anybody can tell me which part they want to sleep with everybody in a dance hall? We could like get a bicycle? Eh? Why me open me? How old is? We don't know that. Where is the one that sleep with everybody? Me just I say. Cause the way she run down music and you think that she be you think that Jamaica government that give her the thing like a Rihanna get a Barbados. I wish she there. She still there about? Eh? I want to go follow Dovey, you know. No, I don't say Dovey a bad breed. You don't know that. You don't know Dovey tan already. But you go follow Dovey page because then take a Dovey page. Yeah, then take a Dovey TikTok page. Dovey said they report our TikTok page over there. That's what Dovey said. So Dovey want 1,000 people. You understand? And what may I say now? Hey, come to think about it. Come to think about it. Come to think about it. I was not going to talk about it, you know. Should I talk about it? Me need to talk about it. Should I talk about it? Need to talk about it. Yeah, Richie feeling, I know why I go, man. Richie can't talk, you know. Mama Richie feeling can't walk my mouth and talk, you know, because if Richie feeling walk my mouth and talk, he not get no more KFC for them again. Richie not get no more food, can't walk mouth in mouth and say nothing, because if he walk mouth in mouth and talk, Spice would never send another dollar come give him. So guess what? He have to keep quiet. But more than more to talk about it. One little termite. One little internet termite. I don't have to talk about it. How much wanna come on my birthday party? How much of you guys buy a ticket to come to my birthday party in New Jersey? 247 Fabian Place. And for the first time performing live in New Jersey, Niger boy with the biggest city man Vegas. Huh? No. I'm gonna say something to you now. Yeah, a whole lot of people there in Jamaica. Who? Nisi, make sure you get the ticket in a baby. Tickets available now and ticket them people. I still have to stop sell ticket in people. I still have to stop so I go to Eventbrite and buy a ticket. A whole lot of people there in Germany. A whole lot of people get visa and come a foreign when they get visa. A whole lot of man get visa when they're supposed to get visa. You understand? And you have some little termite, some little disgusting termite out there these days, where it's just disgusting on every level on this planet. You don't know what little termite on the internet me talk about? Who no think me talk?
Okay, like I said, people, everybody who knows Spice knows this is a publicity stunt. You see me, I say, and they're not buying it, but they're being safe at the same time. You see me? As you know, when she do big stunts like this, music a drop. You see me, I say. And I'll leave it like that because I got more things to say, but I'm gonna say it over my Credible Boss TV channel because I'm leaving something over because this video get too long already. You see me, I said, but I'm gonna drop that later on. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music, reviews, and gossips.